Muthenya wa keri na Mihang'o no irathie na mbere niguo gutigirira gutire mundu ono umwe ugikorwo akwamite matigari-ini maya kuria no gukwino ikorirwe kihonokio iri muoyo Mihang'o-ini ya umuthi.
It is believed that one person went back to the building to switch off light. So because of that human being that known that is suspected to be somewhere, we are doing it carefully in that we want to get that person alive if he's still alive. Because you see, I've gotten a chicken alive in this building. There's life in that building, so we may expect the person alive also.
Kumana na ukuderu wa mianya ya kweheria matigari maya na uhotekeku wa mundu ungi umwe gukorwo akwamite, Mihang'o ino yahota kuoya thiku 2 kana 3 riri watho urutitwo kuri mwene nyumba ya gorofa 7 iria irariganitie na iria iramomokire gukorwo akiyumiria kwa ihinda ria thiku 7 na kwaga uguo nyumba ino ikorwo ikimomorwo.
After assessment from NCA, from the county government, that house has been found to be weak and it could be the next point of disaster. And a notice has been given. If you walk around on these doors, has been stuck within 7 days.
Besha, ifade na maratathi mafata ni imwe cia indo iria cionekanite na ene cio ni megũkũranwo nĩguo indo ici ikorwo ikimakinyira.
A situation where
atongoria matiganite ni meyumiritie kuheana uteithio wa irio oro ndumwe na indo cia gukomera. Riri nayo mibango irathie na mbere igie aria meranire uteithio wa kibesha niguo gutigirira aria mambite kambi ni magia na cikaro njeru.
The process is on. Issue of money requires to go through a process to get out of the bank. Issue of some items require for purchase, and also the problem, like yesterday, some items were brought from the same procedures, but there are some population around there, just criminals trying to interfere, even wanting to take what is not theirs, interfering with operation.
Gukinyiria riu mwene nyumba iria iramomokire ari thibitari-ini thutha wa gukorwo agitungwo ni kimako kia nyumba yake kumomoka.
He has promised that he is going to bring himself to the county government, and also on the same breath we are also pursuing the owner of the house that is next, because when we went to issue the notices, he wasn't there. We just stuck them on the wall.
Ikundi tiganite cia kuhurana na mogwati no cithiete na mbere kwamba hema mwena uyu niguo gutigirira ugwati makiria ndunoneka o ndumwe na gutigirira aria mangibatara uteithio wa naihenya ni matangikirwo hindi ya Mihang'o ino. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.